Well, there you go, guys. Thanks for watching. That was the ride back. It was eventful, to say the least. Flat tyre on the way there, and we was into an headwind as well, so we couldn't pick up much speed. I think it was about 13-14 mile an hour or something like that. We averaged a good speed on the way back. No headwind, so we just kind of got a good speed up on the way back, and yeah, arrived home absolutely soaked to the skin. Here and nearly at these traffic cones because I weren't looking, and yeah, saw them on the last second. But yeah, it was a good ride. A wet one, and took 2 days for my clothes to dry out. I had to wash them and dry them out because they were just covered in sand. Bikes covered in sand, arms covered in sand, soaked right the way through, right through my overshoes. I got a set of neoprene sealskins, and it soaked through them, soaked through my shoes, soaked through my socks. So my feet were numb when I got in, and took about half an hour to thaw back out. But yeah, good ride, and thanks for watching. I hope you liked it. See you in the next one. I've added a bonus in for you here, guys. An old record off the old Electro album. I've amped it up a bit with the graphics, so get your headphones on and turn them up and enjoy.
Interested in the words I speak, we will be rocking like this every night of the week. And all you fellas, tell the ladies, don't stop the rock, because you know that we'll be jamming all around the clock. I went to a party, and what did I see? The girls were wearing leather skirts and see-through jeans. I asked the DJ to tell me what was going on. He said, freeze down, having a freak that on. You never rock the right move, your body burn rock the right floor. You twist on a freak that on. You never rock the right move, your body burn rock the right floor. You twist on a freak that There's a party in the house and we'll be rocking tonight. So bring your body with you, baby, and I'll make you feel right. It's a freaky celebration of a natural kind, and the pleasure you'll experience will blow